first going to start prepping her skin with a dermaplane, and then we're going to perform the HydraFacial treatment on her.
Does this hurt at all?
Not at all.
What does it feel like?
Just like a little scratch.
Some patients have even said that it kind of feels like a little dry toothbrush on the face, that kind of soft exfoliation. At Maffi, we dermaplane prior to our lighter skincare treatments, such as HydraFacial, hydrodermabrasion, or the SkinCeuticals micropeel. And this is the second step of our process. The first step is dermaplaning. If you don't want to have your skin dermaplaned, maybe you're a younger patient, or sometimes guys don't like to have their skin dermaplaned because you can't really get into the beard area, we can always exclude that step, but we like to start with the dermaplaning because it helps remove the peach fuzz and the top layer of dead skin. And then the second step would be cleansing and starting to exfoliate the skin. HydraFacial helps infuse serums into the skin that can help protect against the environment. They add antioxidants, hyaluronic acid to hydrate the skin. You can also clean out the pores, and we'll treat some of these little blemish spots. It's good for congested skin. Doing the treatment in the office is about a 45 to 50 minute process, but the results are long lasting as the serums are being infused deep into the skin. The HydraFacial uses a patented vortex technology that helps drive the serums deeper into the skin.
What's the downtime for a HydraFacial?
What's great about HydraFacial is there really is no downtime. It's great for red carpet appearances, weddings, graduations, reunions, or just that monthly maintenance facial. Your skin may be a little pink during the process because of the exfoliation and the suction, but you'll find almost immediately a softened glow to the skin. And the next step of the HydraFacial would be to apply an acidic serum to the skin. This is a glycolic and salicylic blend. This will help brighten the skin, and it kills bacteria. It will also start to dissolve some of the congestion within the pores. There's no downtime with this solution. It doesn't cause any peeling or flaking. She may feel just a little bit of a tingle.
I noticed that on the tip it used to be orange and now it's teal.
Yes, good observation. HydraFacial has patented vortex tips, and the different colors are different grits. All of these tips have a different kind of texture to them. So the first tip was a little bit more aggressive. It's good for pulling off the dead skin and exfoliating. This tip is great for extractions. So you'll notice that it's small enough to get right into the crease of the nose, where we all have a lot of congestion and blackheads. Now we've moved on to the extraction part of the HydraFacial. I've increased the vacuum pressure, and now that the acid has had time to work on dissolving the impurities within the cells, I want to hit every pore. The benefits of the HydraFacial really are to infuse different serums into the skin, and the multi-step process makes sure that we're hitting all the concerns within the skin. The dull appearance, the dryness, the congestion, the dead skin cell buildup. HydraFacial really targets all of those issues that are within the skin. HydraFacial is a really great treatment when you're looking for a medical grade facial that doesn't have any downtime. This will fit into your schedule easy. There's no peeling, no prolonged redness. It doesn't hurt. The treatment feels amazing and gives you that spa-like experience with the benefits of medical grade technology and serums. Everything that we're using is penetrating into the skin and has a benefit of its own. So we're making sure that the skin is infused with different antioxidants, hydrating properties, serums that help cleanse and soften the skin, kill bacteria. We just want to hit the skin from all the different angles so that we're addressing all the issues that are within the skin.
Okay.
Now I'm getting ready to perform the add-on treatment called the HydraFacial Perk for the eyes. This is a take-home treatment as well. So the added perk of adding this to your treatment is that with the eye product, you get to take home the rest of the eye serum and then an eye mask inside so that you can help maintain the benefits at home. So now I'm going to do the eye area with the Perk machine. So there's a special tip that kind of fits right into the creases of her eye. This adds hydration and exfoliation to those delicate eye areas. This tip goes right under the eye area and it fits into all of these little creases. And the serum is full of peptides that help brighten the eye area and treat the fine lines and wrinkles. The added perk is that she gets to take home the rest of this serum. It has a roller ball on the end and she can use this at home to treat the eye area and keep the benefits going.
Ready?
Now I'm going to do the HydraFacial Perk lip treatment on our patient today. This treatment will help hydrate the lips and exfoliate the lips. There's a little bit of plumping that can happen around the top lip line and some of the bottom areas. This will help give you a little bit of a pout. She also gets to take home the rest of this serum, and inside the Perk bottle is a chapstick that has an SPF in there. This is the HydraFacial Perk for the lips. I run this right over the lip line. There's a light peppermint flavor, so I don't have to worry about it getting inside her lips. It also adds hydration and exfoliation. The tip is exfoliating in a patented vortex motion as well, and there's a roller ball here, so it just glides right over the skin. The benefits of the lip Perk treatment is that it will add hydration and exfoliation to the lips and keep them protected. It adds peptides and hydrating serums to the lip area, all while exfoliating and keeping them soft. I chose the growth factor booster for our patient today. This helps stimulate collagen. Growth factors help give the skin a glow. They boost collagen, so they help with fine lines and wrinkles and improve your texture. It's a great anti-aging serum. Red LED light infuses a medical grade light into the skin to increase circulation and collagen production. It can also help reduce redness, whether that be just normal facial redness or redness from extractions. But this treatment is pain-free. It doesn't have any heat or add any irritation to the skin. Depending on the patient's skin type, we can also use blue LED light therapy on the skin. Medical grade blue LED light is shown to kill bacteria, reduce oil production, and reduce that inflammation with acne-prone skin. This combination of SkinCeuticals masks is amazing with the HydraFacial. By pairing the two together, you're locking in the hydration from the HydraFacial treatment, and you're also helping to calm and soothe the skin post-extractions or exfoliation. I love to personally use this treatment at Maffi because it really helps lock in all of the serums and give the skin an extra glow. I first add the SkinCeuticals Biocellulose mask to the skin. By placing a thick layer of this mask on the skin, the soothing, calming botanicals start to cool the skin immediately on contact. Next, I'm applying the SkinCeuticals Biocellulose mask on the skin, right on top of the SkinCeuticals Phytocorrective mask. This mask is amazing because it's cool on contact immediately when you put it on the skin. By placing the biocellulose mask on top of the phytocorrective mask, it will help drive it into the skin faster by creating that occlusive barrier, and it just seals it right in. So after a few moments, this will be peeled off. The rest of the mask can be massaged into the skin or wiped off. Then the patient will have moisturizer and sunscreen.
How does that mask feel?
Cooling and really refreshing.
And I'm going to remove it. I like to massage the rest of the mask into the skin. I'm applying her moisturizer now and locking in all of those ingredients. Next, I apply a tinted sunscreen to the skin. This helps neutralize the redness and give her a little bit of coverage and protection. HydraFacial is a good treatment for all skin types and all ages. Men love this treatment because it's simple and it's fast and it's easy. Also, women love this treatment because it's really hydrating, and as we age, we tend to feel more dry and dull. Also, teens love this treatment because it helps clean out the pores and it uses extractions and kills the bacteria. It's a great treatment for everybody, and you can use it as needed, maybe once every 3 months, or you can use it as your regular medical grade facial at Maffi.